How to log in to eBay account. So to log into your eBay account, first you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for eBay. And on the first search, you will have www.ebay.com. Click on that. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now, if you want to log into your eBay account, on the upper left corner, you will have a sign in option. Click on sign in. And now to log in, first you have to enter your email or your username, or you can also continue with your Facebook, Google, Apple, any three of them. And after entering your email, click on continue. And after entering your email, you have to enter your password. And after entering your password, you can click on sign in. But if you forgot your password, then you can click here, need help signing in, and then you will receive your help. But if you remember your password, then enter your password and click on sign in. And that's it, you are signed into your eBay account. It was that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.